Hey there, here is a tutorial for you, how to use your Gacha app and capcut to animate walk. 1. Find your Gacha app. 2. Go to background and change to a background that doesn't matches any color on your character. I recommend using green or gray. 3. Go to body and find the pose section. Select the pose for your walk. Also screenshot after every new pose. I recommend using the 4 poses beside each other. 4. Go to CapCut and add new project. 5. Select your screenshots. 6. Make screenshot as short as you want. Note: shorter the faster and longer the slower. Also note, you can add the screenshot again to get a longer video. Do the same as before. Seven. Save your video when you're ready. 8. Add project again and select background. 9. Add overlay note, the walking video from before. 10. Go to edit and crop video. 11. Go to chroma key and select Who Erase Background. 12. To animate, move your character to where you want walking to start, then click animate sign. Move character to where you want it to animate. Thirteen. End at where you want character to stop walking. Finally, save your work.